Think your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are waterproof? You might be one splash away from a disaster, and your warranty likely won't cover it. Let's clear this up before you make an expensive mistake. First things first, check the charging case. This is where most people mess up. The case is not waterproof, not even close. A little rain, a splash from the sink, that's all it takes to damage the charging components inside. So, if you're heading out in bad weather, keep that case protected. Pocket, bag, anywhere dry. Now, let's talk about the earbuds themselves. They do have some level of protection, but it's made for everyday situations. Sweat during workouts? Fine. Light rain on a run? Also fine. But here's where people push it too far. These are not made for water exposure beyond that. A quick accidental drop in shallow water might not instantly kill them if you grab them right away, but it's still a risk. And things like showers or running tap water, that pressure can easily get inside. So, can you swim with them? Short answer, no. Even if you keep your head above water, it's still risky. One slip, one wave, and you're done. These are not built for submersion, period. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. If water gets inside, your warranty won't save you. Samsung doesn't cover liquid damage. Once those internal moisture indicators are triggered, that's it. No replacement, no repair. And if they do get wet, don't try to rinse them or clean them with water. Just wipe them gently with a dry, lint-free cloth and let them air dry. That's all. Thanks for being with us.